All right, I'm enjoying another cool summer treat, which just goes well with a cold Japanese beer and a little bit of extra dipping sauce here. So this is a Thai chicken salad wrap with spicy peanut sauce inside and outside. So I've got, you mix it in with the salad and then keep a little aside for dipping if you want. Or you just throw it all in the salad. It's really up to you. This is a fantastic summer treat. So easy to eat, easy to make, easy to eat. Just throw it in a wrap. I like to just dip a little bit into the sauce here. Oh, Oh. Right now, we're in rainy season. You might see, hair is going insane. I have no control over it anymore because the humidity is right up there. It's been pouring rain today, but in between the humidity just shoots it up. Something like this, absolutely fantastic. Yeah, it really goes with it. All right, so let's go in the kitchen and mix some of this right now. All right, so let's make some wraps. This is fantastic because these are the ingredients here. Everything's cold. Nothing needs to be cooked. The chicken, of course, was pre-cooked. Could be from rotisserie chicken, whatever. You can get cooked chicken in the grocery store. You name it. So what we've got here is, well, of course, the chicken. There is 14 ounces or 400 grams of chicken here. And it's been shredded. It's cold. It's cooked. It's cold. It's shredded. If you want to see how to shred this chicken to make it perfect for salads, we've got a video in the Patreon feed, one of the kitchen tech videos. Go have a look at that, show you exactly and why it's so good to shred chicken for a salad. Over here we've got a quarter head of cabbage that's also been shredded or very thinly sliced. Over here, 2 Japanese cucumbers. You know, those are about this size here. The Japanese cucumbers are a little smaller. So thin cucumbers, 2 of them, chopped up. Basically what I do is I slice them in quarters and then chop them, and that's just a perfect size. Look at that. Whoa, gone. Right right there. All right, over here we got 1 red bell pepper chopped. That's all the ingredients for the salad. And then for the dressing, or for the peanut sauce, what we've got here, 1/2 cup of smooth peanut butter, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of sesame oil. Now we use sesame oil a lot in Asian cooking. It does add a special flavor. If you don't have it, you could just use olive oil and that's fine, but the sesame oil does add something special to it. Over in front here, I've got 2 cloves of garlic crushed, 1 tablespoon of the sriracha chili sauce. That is really good stuff. Over here, I've got 1 tablespoon of vinegar, and then I've got 2 teaspoons of nampla fish sauce. This is used a lot in Thai cooking. Now, if you don't like it or you can't find it, you can get away without it. But if you're not going to use the nampla fish sauce, add a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, because this adds a lot of saltiness to the dish you're going to be missing. So make sure if you can't use that, replace it with some 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And then, of course, to wrap it all up, what I've got is tortillas. And we're going to use 8 tortillas. All right, so what we're going to do now, first of all, is I want to make the dressing. Let's get some of this stuff off to one side out of the way here. And going to put all the ingredients into a bowl. So we got the peanut butter. Okay, so the peanut butter in there. I'm going to add the soy sauce. Going to add the sesame oil. Make sure we get all that in there. All right, let's get those out of there. The garlic. That sriracha sauce. This is wonderful stuff. Use this in a lot of my cooking. You've probably seen this in a few different recipes. Usually there are recipes that are Asian inspired, but you can use them in other things too. It does add a fantastic flavor. In goes the vinegar, and in goes that nampla fish sauce. Now the number fish sauce, that is something different. Not everybody likes it, I can understand that, but it is a unique flavor and it's really nice. All right, now I'm just gonna take a whisk and I'm gonna start whisking this together. I wanna just combine everything into a nice sauce. Look at that. That is looking great. Okay, that's ready to go. Let's get that off to one side here. All right, what I want to do now, I'm going to bring a larger bowl over here. I'm going to make the salad. Let's put this off here. So let's put the chicken in there. And the cabbage. Put the cukes. And the red bell pepper. Wow, that bowl is just about not big enough for this. Should have used the wooden bowl. Okay. Now what I'm going to do now is, first of all, I'm just going to make sure I can kind of mix this around. Oops, see, should have used that wooden bowl. Make sure you use a big bowl. Makes it easier. All right, now that's done. Now this sauce, what I like to do here is I like to put about 2/3 or so in here and save some aside and put it in a little bowl for dipping. That's really good. So you can dip your roll-ups in there. All right, so let's put about 2/3 in here and we'll save the rest for dipping sauce. Again, gonna do a lot of tossing now. Let's get everything coated with a little bit of this sauce. And that is looking pretty just right. Look at that, because the sauce is now holding everything together, and that's the way you want it. You don't want it drowned in sauce. You just want enough sauce to hold all your ingredients together like this. Now, that's the nice thing about peanut butter. It's like a glue. All right, that is looking absolutely perfect. So now, what I'm going to do is grab, oops, another man overboard. Grab a tortilla, and then you just spoon some of the mixture onto the tortilla. A little bit more can go on there. Okay, look at that. Then take it and wrap it. Okay, so you wrap a bunch of these up, stick them on a plate, serve them up. Everybody helps themselves. And like I say, take a little bit of that peanut sauce, put it into a small bowl, and then it's a great place to dip some of this in there if you want a little bit of extra peanut sauce in with your wrap. Well, these wraps, just like that, pretty good. All right, so enjoy that. Now, if you go to the link appearing on the screen, also clickable in this video's description, you can download and print out this recipe from the Salad and Vegetable Recipes booklet on Kuma's Kitchen's Patreon page. So click the feature tag called Recipes. You're not yet a patron of Kuma's Kitchen? Well, come on, join the community. It is a fun community in there, and you get not only access to the recipes, you get access to all kinds of cool videos that we do. You get a look at all the things in Japan that, well, other people just don't see. And you're also helping to support the creation of many more of these Kuma's Kitchen's recipe videos. These are all my own original recipes, so you're helping to promote that and get those out there so everybody can enjoy them. Now, go print out the recipe and enjoy Thai chicken salad wraps with spicy peanut sauce. And make cooking fun again with Kuma's Kitchen.